Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to elevate your dining space with luxury and sophistication, you're in the right place. Today, we'll explore stunning luxury dining room design ideas that will help you create a refined and elegant ambience in your home. Let's dive in. 1. Choosing a statement dining table. The dining table is the centerpiece of any luxury dining room. Opt for a high-quality material such as marble, solid wood, or glass with metallic accents. A bold design with intricate detailing or a sleek, modern silhouette can instantly elevate the space. Pairing the table with elegant chairs upholstered in velvet, leather, or high-end fabrics ensures a cohesive and opulent look. 2. Elegant lighting fixtures. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood. A grand chandelier with crystal, gold, or brass finishes adds drama and sophistication. For a modern touch, consider sleek pendant lights or a sculptural LED fixture. Layered lighting with wall sconces and recessed lighting enhances the ambience and provides a warm, inviting glow. 3. Luxurious color palette. The right color palette can transform your dining room into a refined retreat. Opt for classic neutrals like ivory, beige, or taupe for a timeless feel. Deep, rich tones such as navy, emerald, or burgundy add depth and grandeur. Metallic accents in gold, silver, or brass enhance the luxurious appeal and tie the elements together seamlessly. 4. High-end tableware and decor. Attention to detail is key when designing a luxury dining space. Use fine china, crystal glassware, and polished silverware to set an elegant table. Incorporate decorative elements like statement centerpieces, sculptural vases, and fresh floral arrangements to add sophistication. A well-styled tablescape completes the upscale look and leaves a lasting impression. 5. Textures and materials for opulence. Incorporating rich textures and high-end materials adds depth and interest. Velvet or silk drapery, plush area rugs, and detailed wall moldings create a sense of luxury. Consider a statement wall with marble, textured wallpaper, or wood paneling for an added layer of refinement. 6. Artwork and mirrors for a grand statement. Art and mirrors play a significant role in luxury dining room decor. Large-scale artwork or an ornate mirror enhances the visual appeal while creating a focal point. Mirrors also reflect light, making the space feel more open and grand. Choose pieces that align with your style, whether it's classic, contemporary, or a blend of both. 7. Seating arrangement and comfort. Comfort is just as important as aesthetics. Choose well-cushioned, ergonomically designed chairs that provide support while complementing the overall theme. A mix of armchairs and side chairs adds variety and elegance. For larger spaces, a stylish bench or banquette seating can add a unique touch. 8. Final touches for a luxury experience. Complete the look with subtle yet impactful finishing touches. Consider ambient music, scented candles, or an elegant bar cart to enhance the dining experience. Smart home features like dimmable lighting and automated drapery add convenience and a high-end feel. With these luxury dining room design ideas, you can create a space that's not only beautiful but also a reflection of refined taste and sophistication. Which idea inspired you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stunning home decor inspirations. See you in the next video.